Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by locking the hook. Lead with a bold image or question in the first 3 seconds to stop the scroll. Explain why the viewer should care, then state the one objective: awareness, clicks, leads, or sales. Once done, pick your platform ratio: 16:9 for YouTube, 1 for feeds, 9:16 for stories, and choose a primary visual and line of copy that supports that objective so every element serves the same goal. You now construct the middle. Map a compact story arc, problem, solution, call to action, and write a 1-sentence value proposition to repeat visually. Make sure visuals match that line: product close-ups, lifestyle context, and captions for muted viewing. Once these assets exist, layer clean audio, set dialogue clear, music around -6 dB, and test on phone speakers. Also, add short captions and a persistent logo so viewers always know who you are. You finish by exporting optimized files, 1080p h, 264, correct color, and uploading the right ratio for each placement. Then run a /B tests, 2 hooks, 2 CTAs, small budgets for 3-7 days to learn what resonates. Once you have data, scale winners and iterate. If performance drops, switch the hook or shorten to 6-10 seconds, tweak targeting, and recheck caption legibility. Fixing one element often restores performance quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.